In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous tabs on Brave browser app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have several tabs on your Brave browser, first open it, and to find the previous tabs, head down here. As you can see, I have 3. So if I tap on this, I'll see a summary of all the tabs that are open, and now I can switch or go to any of them that I wish by just tapping on it. For instance, I want to go to this very first tab, and to open it, I'll just tap on it, and here I'll find all my previous information or pages that I had opened and that I wish to read. And to go back to a new tab, you can just tap on that again and then tap on a plus here to go to a new tab after you have read the previous one. So that's how you can find your previous tabs on Brave browser app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.